Hey guys, I've been playing the Inventor today, and courtesy of Evan Bailey, we've got this idea going up just here. I've put some knives on the ceiling fan. It's pretty sketch. I've done some fairly dumb things in my life, but I feel like this is genuinely one of the most dangerous things I've done in a long time. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. You can see here I've got my ceiling fan, and here's these knives, and they're about the size of a hand. So they're not the biggest knives, but they're very sharp. Anyway, yeah, and I've just put a single piece of duct tape on them, and we'll see how they go. Alright. Oh, I better get something to throw into them, hey? I mean, that's like the only logical question. I'd like some pear. Here we go. I'm pretty scared. Alright, you turn it on. Let's put the iPad down like this. It's on full speed. Holy moly. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh. Oh no! Okay, look, I'll show you what I've done. One of the knives came off. And it's left a hole in. Oh no! Whoops! I'll show you the hole it's made in the wall. Oh. It's actually pretty deep. Oh no. Whoops. Alright, well, all in the name of science, right?